Hello everyone, welcome back to a new video. So in this video I'll be showing to you how to perform the Sapien Labeling Airdrop. So it's just a new launch airdrop in which you are given different tags, audio marks, breakfast upload image, vehicle positioning image, quick script, textography and drive site. Okay, so I'll try to go over the main important ones and leave the rest. So when you first connect your MetaMask, go over to here as this part and make sure that you connect your Discord, Twitter, and if you have a Farmcaster account, connect it. But if you don't have, then you can just leave it. Okay, so you go back here. So when you're here, you just click on the breakfast upload image, give it a while to load. So for the breakfast upload image, you're going to upload a picture of your breakfast. Okay, so first of all, you drag and select. Let me just drag the image I have. You can search online for images about a breakfast, right? So depends on what you want to search for the breakfast this morning. So yes, just so the age you put let's put 25 to 30. I don't know, but just put in your main age, sorry. The country, the text field are not in are white, yeah, in the white background. So dietary finance, if you're a vegan, if you're a vegetarian, if you're a most of these ones I don't know, but I think this one is if you take both plants and animals. Okay, so for the identification is just jollof rice. Yes, that's it. And just click on confirm submission. Click on submit. It asks to do capture verification. So just click on verify that you're human. Then just give it a while. If you are seeing this unable to tag data point, that means you have to select another image. But dish, let me think of Nigerian dishes. Something that you take in Nigeria, that is has to be pancake. Let's try that. Okay. So, you can search online for your images. So I just want to pick something that you see in everyday Nigerian homes. Probably none of this. Just try again. This looks somehow just to get the tax. That's it. So drag the image. You can't confirm submission until you have actually performed other tasks. Okay. Age, put in the age. Gender, male. Put in the country. Just a bit of yeah. Okay, dietary. So the pancake is not really vegetable. You know that you can actually put in different things on top. That is confirm submission. Let's try again and let's. Okay, so that's it. If you get that error, I think you need to just change what you are using. That's it. Change the stuff you're using, get a better image, and also try to get something that people will take for breakfast. Okay, so pancake is a usual. You can just search for what can I eat for breakfast? What can I eat for breakfast? So that I'll give you some. I'm supposed to add in Nigeria. As you know that some people you can take Nigeria. Yeah, so you can eat eggs, bread, fried plantains, bean cakes, and a lot of things. So you just make your research and get what you want. So you have to go back to your dashboard. You can notice I have my phone. Okay, so the next one is the vehicle positioning tag. So you click on it. in case if you're spending the time to load, you can just reload the page to make it load faster. Because to me that worked out well. Okay, so they will give you an image of a vehicle. Then you have to select the type in which the image position of the vehicle. So as you can look at this vehicle is snapped from the back. The back, no, it's not showing from the back, it's actually showing the side. So it's back the side from the I guess wait, you have to look at it. So interior is when they show the inside of the vehicle, back is when the back is like this side is when it shows only this side to the side. And then front is when it shows the frontal of a car. You know, like the frontal of a car, we all have seen a car before. Then the front angle is when it shows it from any different angle in the front. So it's not side, it's back because you can't choose side even though some of the side is showing. So just click on submit. You have to verify capture. Alright, tagging complete successfully and one. So that one does not pay a lot. So it's just for you to earn if you want to. You can get a lot of coins if and then there are other tags. So these are the main two important tags that pays you in the coin. That's that pays you in get started. So this is part of the coin, but this is actually one of the coins too. I think this is the main coin also. Yeah, this is the main coin. So is this coin that will determine your airdrop. That's how much you actually get in the airdrop. So select the option. This one, as you can see, this one is interior just scrolls up because it shows the interior of the vehicle. Every time you want to submit anything, you're going to have to do captcha verification. This is the point. This is the point you're going to use for airdrop. That's it. So unable to tag. So that means I made a mistake. You can actually view here to see the complete side profile of the vehicle. Front face front straight forward of an angle if it does not fit if it's facing front facing of an angle of about 45 degrees. So it's not front angle, it's probably front because it's taken towards the back of the car and it can't be back. So let's try this. Verify your email. Okay, so that's the correct answer. So as you can see, it's showing the door. You knowing what you're doing on the platform. So it does used to give me a really issue because of you have to, but to make sure to be reading the instructions to see so you just have to be getting it well. So I'm just going to leave this tag as I can't really get to phantom or I don't have enough time to be looking around, but just try and be completing the task. Mostly is the breakfast image task I want to perform because it offers a lot of points more than the vehicle positioning task. So I guess if it takes a while to load up, I guess you guys can just go and play around with it. If you have any issues, you can comment it down below and also join. You can also join our WhatsApp group so that you share the issue there. So thank you for watching this video. You can subscribe to the channel if you want to learn more capture updates, testnet updates, and also airdrop updates. So we'll see you in the next video. While this thing is loading up, it takes a while to load up, and if it's taking a while, just give it a refresh. It worked for the first two tags, but sometimes it's just network decide to generate. So make sure to bag enough points before because you don't know when it will actually really end yet. So thank you for watching this video and see you in the next video. Goodbye.